Okay guys, so ito, tanghali na po. I think it's already 1 p.m. No, not yet. It's only just 12:35, pero sobrang gutom na po kami. Punta tayo sa Algar ngayon para matikman mo yung Panda Express. Okay, so nasa Algar na tayo. Ilang sandali na lang, matitikman nyo na ang Panda Express. Thank you po. Yeah. Panyo mo.
Hindi yung panyo. Diyan yan.
Automatic pala to. Okay. So, ito na. Oy, Rose! Ay, kasama ka sa amin! Ay, kain tayo dito sa Panda Express. Yung favorite ko dito is orange chicken. Ayun, na-try nyo na ba dito?
Once.
First time? Okay, very good. Kasi first time. Hi, good afternoon. Okay, I'm here actually with my friends and I would like to treat them.
We have a bunch of premium dishes and classic dishes.
Okay, do you want to order now? I want the Panda plate.
I was trying this orange chicken.
Oh wow!
That's a famous product.
It's my favorite. Try this. This is my favorite. Sobrang sarap niyan dito.
Only one?
Okay, of course.
Thank you. That's for him also.
Oh, libre pa, di ba?
This is the best-selling product in the Panda.
Oh, that's too big. Okay.
Fine, you will like it. I'm very sure.
I like this. Okay.
It's very crunchy, sweet and sour, little tangy, and touch of garlic.
Good. So me, I'll take the Panda plate,
Okay.
one side plus two mains.
That sounds good.
Of course, the orange chicken, the one you gave me, is very good.
How about the
And my favorite, broccoli beef.
broccoli beef? Fine. And how about the side? Fried rice or fantastic chow mein?
Can I have the fried rice? Ito ha.
Wow.
All of us will get this. Okay. It's all for me from here. Ang dami, sobrang laki ng portion. At affordable masyado. Anong nangyari? Hoy, kontian mo lang kain mo kasi parang, I think parang good for two na yung one order nila eh. Baka pwede na kayo mag-share. Sobrang dami yung portion, sobrang dami ng portion ng siniserve dito. Ayun, so sabi niya 45 dirhams lang daw, so gano'n siya karami. Kasi of course, you need to enjoy, di ba? Especially your day off.
Dami.
Okay, clarification lang po ha. This is different. This is different from Express Panda na nakikita nyo sa mga food courts, sa mga malls. This is different, way different guys. You have to visit here. I have a good news later to announce to all of you guys. Just watch out for it. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Enjoy your food.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, we will. Thank you so much. Wow, you know, I ordered. I think, you know, three of us has one order in common. We have. No.
For me, orange chicken.
We have the orange chicken, and orange chicken. We tried it at sobrang sarap niya. Kaya, ito. Sino unang kakain?
Siyempre ikaw. Ikaw.
Kaibigan ko yata sa is it California or basta somewhere in somewhere in the US na she really likes Panda Express, and one of her favorite talaga is the beef broccoli, which we have the same favorite. So ngayon kinakain na namin. Ano masasabi niyo?
Dami, sarap.
Ayan, tataba ka na.
Tataba ako dito.
Doon tsaka madali lang hanapin guys kasi meron silang dalawang branches. One is in is it in JBR?
Wala.
Yeah, I think one is in JBR and then one is here in Algorer Mall. Okay, so I know guys, if dito sa side, sa somewhere malapit siya sa Starbucks, madadaanan nyo na yung Panda Express. Alright guys, ito, grabe, busog na busog. Sisiw, talagang naubos yung plato niya. And then nakakahiya ka, ano? Ubos na ubos, sobrang sarap ba? Alin?
Iced tea?
Iced tea, yeah, you guys, you should try also their iced tea. I think it's a China mint. Oh, no.
Mist.
China mist. Try it here, guys. Okay, so yun lang. And it's really affordable. Okay, bayad ko na. Let's go. Thank you ha.
Thank
Then
you.
kita tayo ulit dito. Where's your bag?
Hindi, ayun na.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much. Ciao. Okay, so okay guys, so ato guys, personally I would like to invite all of you guys to please visit po yung Panda Express. Grabe, sobrang dami po ng portion nila, and affordable lang kasi yung in-order namin kanina is just 45 dirhams. Pero sobrang solved na kami, parang feeling namin nasa galing kami sa isang piyestahan. Okay, and I have a good news to everyone that if you guys visit the restaurant, try to get a selfie dito po sa harapan ng restaurant nila. And then post it in your social accounts. It can be Facebook, Instagram, with the hashtag JuniVisitPandaExpress. And then kapag na-post nyo na po yan, pumunta kayo sa branch nila and then show it to their staff. Then you will get a free soft drinks, okay? Kasi hindi po kasama sa yung soft drinks sa meal. So yun po, ipakikalat na lang po ng balita. Well, I think that's all for today guys. Uwi na po ako. Thank you so much. Next time ulit. Bye-bye! They really changed yung menu nila para po maging affordable talaga siya. So that's actually the reason why I was invited to come there and have our lunch together with this guy. Kasi talagang for us to try kung gaano kasarap yung restaurant nila and how affordable it is now.